Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the notebook export ready. Save your file and clear outputs to avoid huge PDFs. Install NBconvert and Pandoc now so the exporter can convert formats. If you have equations or complex fonts, make sure a TX distribution like TXLive or MicTX is available. This prevents missing symbols. Once those tools are present, open a terminal in the notebook directory and run a quick conversion command to verify the environment before continuing to the next, more detailed step. You execute the core conversion, run Jupyter and NBconvert to PDF notebook. IPN from the folder containing your file. If you want custom styling, include a template or preprocessor option so page breaks and fonts behave. Templates adjust headers, margins, and code cell appearance. When the direct PDF path fails, convert to HTML first with to HTML, inspect layout in a browser, then print to PDF. This gives control over pagination and styling. Make sure outputs and images are embedded before continuing to finalize. You finish by opening the produced PDF and scanning for missing images, broken math, or font substitutions. These are the common final glitches. If conversion errors appeared, rerun the NBconvert command with debug to read the terminal output, which pinpoints missing packages or conversion failures. Make sure images are linked or embedded, and if LaTeX package errors persist, install the indicated package or switch to the HTML then print method. One key tip: missing symbols usually mean an absent LaTeX package.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.